guys, I just made it to breakfast. Got up on time. So just so y'all know, this is the menu for the Ocean Hotel for breakfast. You can get an egg benedict, veggie omelet, waffles, ham and cheese croissant, pancakes, scrambled eggs, fruit, and then these are the coffees that you can get. And this is like the regular list of drinks you can get. I think I'm gonna get a mimosa. Nah, I'm not getting a mimosa. I'm about to get a regular drink once I get dressed. Today is a beautiful day in Miami. But y'all, I am riding bikes today, a bike ride. Today is all about bike riding, so I'm gonna go get my bike and then I'm gonna go head to Rainbows to return some stuff and then just enjoy this beautiful weather. Yes. All right. Alright guys, I just got my food, so I ended up getting the egg benedict. It looks bomb with seasoned potatoes. And it comes with tomato. I'm about to grow up, beautiful girls all over the world. I'm about to start this bike ride. Ah! It's so pretty out. We in Miami. Alright, I'm gonna see if I can try to. Y'all, I ain't been on a bike in forever. Guys, this is the famous Versace mansion right behind me. So I think I told you I've been coming to Miami for 6 years and I've never had lunch or dinner there, so I might do lunch today there. I just really want to see how it is in the inside. I gotta see if I have an outfit though, because you do, I think it's casual wear, but you know me, I like to dress fancy. So yeah, I might go in there. Okay guys, Pretty Little Thing has a showroom here in Miami. It looks really cute inside, so we're about to see. Alright guys, I'm at the Pretty Little Thing showroom. This is so cute. I didn't even know they had this here in Miami. The showroom is a bomb. What do you think about this dress? I like it. Okay, Pretty Little Thing. I think I'm gonna wear this tonight to dinner. Cute. It's a vibe in here. Dallas, we need a showroom. Okay.
When your vision is crystal clear, they say it's sure.
All right, boo, I'm ready. now called the Locust, I think. They still have frozen drinks. Is that the name of it? Okay. They still have frozen drinks. So if you guys are coming to Miami, make sure y'all still check them out. Good vibe. I was here the other night. They have bomb bartenders. But all right, let me get my drink and then I'm gonna go home, get dressed, and then we're going to the beach.
My manager actually gave you a discount. It's gonna be $15.
Oh, thank you so much. I appreciate you.
I'll be back with you.
Okay, love. Guys, we are back at it. Woo! Look at this view. Can you see? Back at it, y'all. I'm about to head out. I'm going to the beach. This is what I'm wearing. I think I'm gonna go to the focus, spicy mommy. Okay. I think I'm gonna head to the regular beach. Should I go to Nikki Beach or the regular beach, y'all? I think I want to go to Nikki Beach because they have chairs and stuff. So it's a vibe. So I think I'm gonna go back to Nikki's Beach. This is what I'm wearing, and I'm gonna put on my Gucci shoes. I think. Should I go to the regular beach? Do they have chairs out there at the regular beach though? Nah, I'm going to Nikki Beach. All right, let me go ahead and hurry up before the beach closes. I have my ID. And I get that. Ooh, I'm a hustler, baby. Hey, you must not know me, baby. Hey. For everyone who's asked me, yes, I am single now. Single, ready to mingle. Okay. So, actually, because my next man is about to be the love of my life, my king. So that's that on it. Shout out to Pretty Little Thing. The showroom was bomb. So I ended up getting this cute dress. What is this? I don't even know the. It's a pink abstract halter neck dress. Can y'all see? It's gonna look so good tonight. I'm gonna wear this tonight. And they also gave me a headband. I got to pick an accessory. So this is super cute. So I'm wearing the dress tonight, all for free. So I'm excited. Shout out to Pretty Little Thing here in Miami. Thank y'all for looking out for influencers. Guys, I just made it to Nikki's Beach. I'm absolutely in love. I love this place. So I ended up getting an umbrella and a chair. It is, I think it's $26, but I feel like it's worth it, you know, just to relax. I'm gonna be out here for a few hours. This is how it looks. The vibes, okay? Right now, I'm just gonna sit. Can you see me? Oh, I forgot to bring my book. Right now, I'm just gonna sit and kind of like refocus, get my YouTube situation together. Thank you, love. Yeah, sorry, I forgot what I was saying. Oh, you can bring your own drinks and stuff out here. That's smart. But I'm about to focus on my YouTube, get my scheduling together, get things in order. So yeah, so it's gonna be fun. Just a chill vibe day. Get drunk in the sun, and I'm so excited. So excited. Guys, I'm sitting here thinking, and I'm just so thankful. So thankful. I'm thankful for life. I'm thankful for being able to pursue my dreams. I'm thankful for not giving up on myself. I'm thankful for the confidence that I have, the love I have for myself. I'm thankful for my family and friends. Of course, this is number one. I am thankful for God, because without him, none of this would be possible. I'm just thankful for how far he's brought me, how far he's going to bring me. And I'm ready for this next chapter. This next chapter is going to be amazing. It's time. Like, you know how you can feel the next chapter of your life beginning? It's coming up for me, guys. And at first it was a very awkward phase, I would say. Very awkward, very uncomfortable, very draining, I would say. But things are now coming together and things are now being put in line for back-to-back blessings. And I can't thank anyone but God. I want y'all to know as well that I love y'all so much. I'm so grateful for all of your support, your love. Thank you guys for watching my videos and my vlogs. I told myself when I started this, if I can only help one person, or if only one person felt inspired by my journey, then that's all I need. So I appreciate all my subscribers. I love y'all so much. I do wish you guys would talk to me a little bit more. Like, let me know the things you guys want to see, the things that you want me to start doing on my channel, on my vlog, or as videos. But yeah, I love you guys so much. I'm just so grateful. I legit was telling my mom, like, I just expected, like, you know, maybe a few people to watch, but it's over 1,000 people watching. And I just appreciate you guys. Just know it's always love and light coming from this way to you guys.
I got my peaches out in Georgia. Oh yeah, shit. I get my weed from California. That's that shit. I took my chick up to the north, yeah. Badass bitch. I get my light right from the source, yeah. Yeah, that's it. And I say, the way I breathe you in, it's the texture of your skin. I wanna wrap my arms around you, baby, never let you go.
Oh my God. Yeah, I love this song. I just got to Old Mexico. I need a margarita ASAP. Hi, love. You're fine. I want a margarita, but of course it's stronger on the rocks, right?
You get it like this?
Yeah, don't get it frozen. Okay, I want it on the rocks. Guys, all of this is tequila. Look. All tequila. Except for this apple crown right here. And the Cavassier. Cheers! Yes, Dallas, Texas. I'm tired. I'm about to go to bed because I'm tired. Good morning, guys. So it is my last official day here in Miami. My flight is this evening. I'm currently packing up, trying to check and make sure I have everything. I like to check all my cabinets, all of that. I like to check the bed, make sure I don't leave anything, guys. All right, I'm about to put on my pants. I'm gonna try to hurry up and make it down for breakfast. Hopefully I'll make it. This is the bathing suit I have on today. I'm gonna leave that soap here. I'm going to leave everything clean. That's my trash all together. Okay, we're good, I believe. Yes, Lord, I pray that I don't forget anything, and I haven't forgotten anything. In Jesus' name I pray. Amen. All right, guys, I'm gonna catch y'all down at breakfast. I'm sitting here trying to do some stuff for my business plan, getting things in order, so watch me work. Thank you. Guys, my food is here. It looks so good. Alright, let me send out this email first. I have a lot of content I have to put out. I actually have a new brand that I'm working with. So guys, stay tuned for that as well. I'm about to start my new business. I am so excited. I can't wait for you guys to see all that I've been up to. Hopefully it's successful. I'm just praying. But yeah. ended up getting some shot glasses. Let me show y'all. And postcards. I'm on this whole like postcard thing now. Before I used to get shot glasses, which I still do, but each time I travel, I'm gonna write a note to myself on my postcard. So like when I look back later on in life, I can see like what space I was in when I went on that trip and what I experienced. And then I also got 3 shot glasses. Arsha asked for one, like, you know your girl got you. So I went to Surf Style. This is the one on Collins in 12th Street. I still have about an hour before I want to go back to the hotel to get my stuff and change. I want to go around like 2:30 so I can leave for the airport around 3 to head over there. Hi. Okay, FedEx, thank you. Thank you. So yeah guys, I'm about to try to do that and then we'll see what the day. Hold on, he on my train of thought. He's fine. I mean, listen, I don't even know what I'm saying anymore. Anyways, yes. So I'm gonna figure it out. Getting some ice cream. What's the name of this place? Gelato and candy, y'all. Gelato ice cream. Hotel Ocean, you guys have to stay here. The staff is amazing, everyone is amazing. This is my girl Jalima, that's her name, at the front desk. My girl, shout out to you. She looked out for me the whole time while I was here. Yeah. So make sure you guys come and stay at the Hotel Ocean, they're great.